Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Necomi AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the any extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the Necomi AC1200 extender into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for power LED turn solid on. Other LEDs may blink, that's normal. This may take 30 to 40 seconds. Locate the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. It's usually labeled WPS, sometimes combined with a symbol like circle or lock. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds until the router's WPS LED begins blinking. This means your router has entered WPS pairing mode, which stays active for about 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Necomi extender. The WPS/signal LED on the extender will start flashing. This indicates the extender is attempting to connect to your router wirelessly. When pairing is complete, the LED will turn solid. Usually, green/blue means strong signal, yellow means medium, or red means weak signal. If not connected, repeat WPS once more. After successful pairing, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. If the signal LED stays green/blue, placement is perfect. Your extender will broadcast Wi-Fi names like your Wi-Fi name _XT, 2.4 GHz, your Wi-Fi name _5G XT, 5 GHz. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.